We bought a house.
We bought a house!
You just repeated what I said.
Hey guys, good morning. We have a really big day ahead of us, which I'm sure you can tell from the title of this video, and we'll get into the exciting news in a little bit. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a life/pregnancy update with me. The last time you guys saw a pregnancy vlog of mine, I was 10 weeks pregnant. I was going to get a breast biopsy done, and that whole week was just a really stressful, emotional week for me. They did call me back after the biopsy, and they said that it was not cancerous, which was great news. I wanted to make sure I actually updated you through here and not just on Instagram. So thank you so much for all of your love and support on that video and on all of my videos. It just meant the world to me. I am now starting my 16th week of pregnancy. I'm officially in the second trimester. My energy levels have come back a little bit. I still have some nausea, but it's not as bad as it was in the first trimester. I'm still taking a little bit of B6 and a half tab of Unisom, so that's still helping me get through the nausea that I do have. But besides that, I've been able to really be able to function and go about my day and do things like normal. Now that we are in week 16, the baby is the size of an avocado. Guys, the last time I showed you this, it was a strawberry. Look how much growth has happened. Baby's listening to your voice thanks to tiny bones forming in his or her ears. Baby's growing hair, lashes, and eyebrows. So cute. It also says to stay on the lookout for fluttering sensations. It might not happen right at 16 weeks, but pretty soon you'll start to feel baby moving around in there. Oh my goodness. So as far as my cravings go, I still have been loving all things sweet. I've really been loving this iced decaf chai beverage. So this drink is pretty sweet, but I just liked being able to have a nice decaf option, and it is really, really good. You guys know, if you saw my last What's in My Bag video, that I love the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. They are literally the best liquid lipsticks because they stay on forever. Well, my new obsession is their new release, which is the Le Chocolat line, because it's literally the same lipstick that's been flavored with chocolate. I'm wearing a mix of two colors, Dose of Cocoa and Candyman, and literally it tastes like chocolate cake when you're applying it. It's also very non-drying, so putting it on, it's smooth and creamy, but it also doesn't feel like it's drying on your lips, and it's not cakey on your lips. So me and the avocado are gonna go get dressed now, and then I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. I've got on the jeans that I showed in my spring shopping video. You can really see the detail on the shirt, but there's a ruffle going from across the chest to the sleeves, and it's also not actually a bodysuit. It comes to about here, so it's perfect to tuck in with higher waisted pants in case you don't like wearing those, because I'm not a huge fan of bodysuits. Also, this top was under $50. Score. I have on my black ankle strap shoes from Steve Madden that I showed in my last fashion video. I'll link those below as well, with my wedding rings, and then my bracelet. Cody got me this for Christmas, and then on this hand I just have on my love band that my family got me as a wedding present. So my accessories are very simple today. This is like what I wear every day, minus the earrings. Those are a little bit less simple. We did a thing.
We bought a house.
We bought a house!
You just repeated what I said.
I guess we didn't buy a house. We bought a floor plan.
We bought a lot. Building.
We're building a house!
Very close to your parents.
Don't say anything about location.
It's close to your parents. It's not in Chicago. It's out of state. Don't look for it.
I told Cody before we were filming, just don't give away like location hits, because some people on the internet are creepy.
You're cutting my head off.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. It's definitely not near Chicago. It's in between Illinois and California. School's gonna be rough. Online law classes, I don't think they have this.
You guys saw in our last house hunting vlog, we looked at two places. House number 2, that is the company we're going with. We picked the floor plan we like the most. We get to pick out like how we want the kitchen to look, the countertops, the floors, everything.
That was our biggest problem with the houses we did look at.
Yeah.
Even if we liked the floor plans, if the kitchen's new, it didn't really make sense to tear it out. So.
Right. A lot of the other like fixer-upper suggestions are already high on our budget, and then we'd have to put an additional like $40,000 to $80,000 into them.
Essentially, they were out of our budget.
If it was something that was in our budget that was a fixer-upper, it was a little stressful to think about being like 8 months pregnant and living in a fixer-upper.
I would have felt bad putting her to work. Like, I will throw a hammer in your hand. Put in some sweat equity.
I wanted to be a part of the reno process, but I just don't think you're supposed to at 9 months pregnant. I don't think I'm supposed to be like inhaling paint fumes.
We could probably save the work for our future child and
yeah, I think that's a good
labor.
plan. So we're so excited though. This is obviously our first home that we purchased together. It's like a really big life step.
I think they call this the nesting phase.
We're nesters. They told us the estimated finish date around now is
mid-September.
Our lease here is up in the middle of September. Like that was like a total God thing when we found the house when we did, because everything lined up and worked out.
It's close to family.
It's closer to family. You could say that.
Not too close. Not in Chicago.
So today is really exciting because we're gonna go out to the design studio and we're going to pick everything for the house. The design center only gives you like a couple hours to do the entire design process, but I feel like it's good because we are pretty aligned on everything that we want.
Yeah.
So
and when we don't agree, I lose. Wow, that was some trip, huh? Thanks for coming along.
Cody's taken over the channel. They think I'm sassy.
It's part of marriage. What's yours is mine.
So we just got back from the design center.
Yeah, it went pretty quick. We didn't even use up the whole time. They
No,
gave us
we
3
didn't.
hours.
We designed pretty much the entire house in like an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
We could do this for a living,
We
maybe.
could design our own house for a living. It's not very lucrative.
No one's paying you to do it. You're actually paying them
It
to do it.
rewards in other ways.
If you guys like the house hunting vlogs, if you enjoyed seeing the home designing process and you want to see more of us building our house together, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post new videos on Thursday. And the more you subscribe, the sassier Cody gets in the video. Bye guys!